Welcome to French Mastery, the cinematic way to learn French. Today, we're diving into essential phrases for expressing gratitude and responding graciously.
Let's start with how to say thank you in French. The basic way is merci, which means thank you.
For more emphasis, say merci beaucoup. That's thank you very much.
And for even stronger thanks, use merci infiniment, meaning thank you infinitely, or thank you so much.
Now, let's see these in action through some real-life scenarios.
Merci.
De rien. De rien.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Bienvenue.
Merci infiniment. Merci infiniment.
Ça me fait plaisir. Ça me fait plaisir.
Great examples. Now, on to responding to thanks. One common response is de rien, which means it's nothing, or you're welcome.
Another is Bienvenue, often used in some regions, like Quebec, for you're welcome.
You can also say ça me fait plaisir, meaning it gives me pleasure, or my pleasure.
Then there's il n'y a pas de quoi, which is there's nothing to it, or another way to say you're welcome.
Finally, pas de problème, for no problem.
Merci.
Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Pas de problème. Pas de problème.
Practice these phrases daily to sound like a native.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, comment your favorite phrase below, and subscribe for more cinematic French tips. See you next time.